In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a trial account in Microsoft Dynamics 365. This process is straightforward and will allow you to explore the powerful tools Dynamics 365 has to offer, whether you're interested in trying out features for sales, marketing, or customer service. Let's dive right in. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Microsoft Dynamics 365 homepage by visiting www.microsoft.com/US Dynamics 365. Once there, you'll find a wealth of information about the different apps and services they offer. To begin your trial, look for a button labelled Try for Free and give that a click. This will take you to a page where you can choose which application you're interested in testing out. For example, if you're focusing on improving sales, you might want to choose the Sales app. Scroll through the page and click Try for Free on the app that catches your eye. Now, if you already have a Microsoft Work or School account, go ahead and sign in using your credentials. If you don't have an account set up yet, no worries, click on Create Account to begin the registration process for a free Microsoft 365 trial tenant. This registration will allow you to create a unique domain, something like your name, on Microsoft.com. The next step is to enter your personal and business details. This information includes your name, business email, or you can create one, company name, phone number, company size, and your region. Once you've filled all this out, click Next to proceed. At this point, you may also opt to set a domain name, although this is completely optional. What's not optional is creating a secure password, which is essential for keeping your account and information safe. Moving on, you'll need to add a payment method, like a credit or debit card. While it might feel a bit intimidating to enter sensitive card details at this stage, rest assured that this is purely for verification purposes. You won't be charged unless you decide to purchase services in the future. Once you've entered the necessary information, click Save to lock in your details. Shortly after, you should receive an email from Microsoft with a verification link. Clicking on this link is crucial as it verifies your account and finalizes the setup process. With verification complete, you're all set to log into your newly created Microsoft Dynamics 365 trial account. And there you have it. You're now ready to explore all the features and capabilities that Dynamics 365 offers. Whether it's managing sales leads or diving deep into customer service analytics, a world of possibilities is now at your fingertips. Don't hesitate to experiment and see which tools best suit your business needs. Enjoy your trial journey with Microsoft Dynamics 365.